Okay, this is how I made the complex sounding drum beat patterns with the 808 drums in the GarageBand app. First of all, I'll put some longer sounding keys that are like loosely packed together with a lot of space in between them for the overall structure of the cycle itself. And then the main thing that I would actually focus on are the shorter sounding keys like this, and this. And I decided to distribute them in random patterns, at least some of them. I mean, I put some of them in some regular patterns, like this key down here and this key up here, throughout the entire cycle. But for this key, I just did it really randomly. It's tightly packed together for quite a long time in the beginning, and then there are some space in between them. So it gives it a more random sounding, how do I say that? I mean, it sounds more random overall. And also this key right here, I put like short sequences that they are quite tightly packed together, closely packed together, I mean, and I leave quite a lot of space in between them. So it's gonna sound a bit more organic and diverse. I mean, I did these random patterns is because they can give it the appearance of like sounding that like there are like miniature uneven cycles within a whole cycle itself. So it sounds a bit more complex and less boring overall.